Hey beauties, it's Riri. I just received my FabFitFun beauty edit box for the month of June. Of course, I will pop our details right here and we're gonna dive in. I hope everybody is doing well. Anybody have a birthday today? If so, happy birthday. Any special occasions coming up? Y'all know I'm nosy as hell and I wanna know. Before we dive in, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. This is, I think, my 4th month getting the FabFitFun Beauty Edit box. It is a fairly new subscription service where you'll receive 4 full-size items. You get to fully customize it. As always, I will have all of the choices and everything at the end. Sorry about that, hubby called. Anyways, you do get to fully customize all 4 of the items, and I will showcase at the end of the video each separate category, what items there were and stuff like that, so you'll actually kind of see me like in real time at that time pick all of my items. And we get all 4 full-size items for roughly $30-ish. I've had a pretty good experience thus far, and I feel like I always get a great value for my money. I'd like to know if you do get the I'd like to know what your choices were if you happen to get the FabFitFun Beauty Edit box as well. First up, we have the SOS PMS Gummies, Hormone Balance PMS Relief, clinically tested with chasteberry, cranberry, vitamin B6. They are vegan gummies, and we do get 60 gummies in here. Of course, I'll read it up on this. I don't actually have PMS. I was actually thrown into early menopause at the age of 35. Yay! So if this is not something that I feel like maybe would give me some sort of benefits, I'm going to pass it along to my niece or to my sister. But I think in that category, I tend to either pick what I know I will obviously love, know, and use, what I can pay forward to family and friends, or what I can put over in my resale group over on Facebook. So I like something like this. Hopefully I can use it. If not, we can pay it forward. Next up is the First Aid Beauty, or Fab. I've been getting a lot of First Aid Beauty products recently, you guys. They're kind of a staple in our subscription box world. This is the Ultra Repair Hydrating Pillow Pads with colloidal oatmeal and ceramides. I'm actually intrigued by these. I've tried like the facial like radiance pads, but I don't think I've ever tried these before. So these I will be keeping and I will be testing. If you have any experience with these, please let us know. I'll pop the directions right here. So I'm excited about that, and like each product pretty much pays for like the entirety of the box. So in my, like the way that I think about it in terms of getting my money's worth, getting a great value, I view it as like I pay for one thing, I get 3 free. Next up from Laura Mercier, we have the Bronze Color Infusion. I got the bronzer in shade 10. I think it's St. Croix. Hopefully I'm saying that properly. And I'm hoping that this is deep enough for me. I do get very tan in the summertime. And I personally have felt, even with like Hourglass and stuff, I mean, I know they've dabbled a little bit in getting, you know, deeper shades and stuff like that, but I feel like in a lot of brands like this, they like their medium shades or their tan shades and stuff like that aren't generally medium and tan. I don't know if that's like everybody's, you know, thoughts on that. The packaging is nice. For it to be Laura Mercier, I think it may be expected a little bit more. Yeah, that looks pretty light. The shades in here are Sculpt and Glow. And while it is pretty, and these are, you know, and these are products that I really, really love, I think I would only be able to use it in like the winter time. So I'm gonna have to debate on this as well, whether or not I'm gonna keep it. It does look really stunning though. But I also have like Sun Bunny. I have a few that are like this as well. And then in here we have the Vacation brand. I've tried quite a few products from them. This is the Orange Gelée, the SPF 30 Sunscreen Spray Oil. This I will absolutely use. If you guys are not new here, y'all know that I am a sunscreen junkie. I fully believe in sunscreen. I think it is why my skin looks the way that it does for 47 years old. And I'm adamant about sun care, skin care, sun protection, things like that. So overall, I am absolutely thrilled. A couple of products I'm for sure gonna use. This I probably have to swatch or actually like put it on my skin just to kind of determine whether or not I think it's going to be okay. Would it be fine for like wintertime? Sure. Would I like to use it right now? Sure. But as I said, just one product within the box more than covers, you know, the value of our box for us. So yeah, that is it. That is my FabFitFun Beauty Edit box for the month of June. And of course, I will pop on at the end of the video and you guys will see all of the different choices and selections for the month. I think it was an overall good box. Not blowing my socks off, but it is a really good box and I do still see the value in it. I'd like to know what you guys thought, and of course drop down below what your choices were for the month. I'd like to know. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy. You can hype the video, you can turn on the bell notifications so you never miss any of my videos, and there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties!